Did you know that plants have their own way of talking to each other? Yep, without a single word or sound, plants can send out distress signals, share nutrients, and even warn each other about danger. So, how do they do it? Plants don't have brains, mouths, or ears, but they've got some pretty clever ways of talking that help them survive and protect each other. It's almost like they have their own neighborhood watch system, keeping an leaf out for danger and sharing resources. And instead of talking or texting, plants use things like chemicals, roots, and even tiny electrical signals. Sounds wild, right? Let's look at how it all works. First up, chemical signals. Imagine you're a plant, just chilling, when suddenly a hungry insect starts munching on your leaves. What do? Well, some plants send out a distress signal by releasing chemicals into the air. It's like a plant version of an SOS. When nearby plants pick up this scent, they go on high alert, producing chemicals that make their own leaves less tasty to insects. Think of it as plants warning each other. Hey, trouble's here, get ready. So the next time you see a plant, just imagine it may be sniffing out a warning from its leafy neighbors. But plants don't just chat through the air, they've got an underground social network too. Through their roots, plants connect with something called mycorrhizal networks, which are basically networks of fungi that act like plant Wi-Fi. Imagine this network as a secret underground internet for plants, where they can log in and share things like nutrients or warnings with each other. Let's say a big tree has more nutrients than it needs. It can actually share some of that through the root network with younger plants that might be struggling. And if one plant senses a disease or pest nearby, it can warn others through these root connections. It's like the ultimate plant community support system. Okay, now for the coolest one, electrical signals. Yep, plants can send electrical pulses within themselves, almost like nerves in a human body. When a plant senses danger, like being touched or cut, it can send a quick electrical signal to other parts of itself, almost like saying, "Alert, danger incoming." This electrical signaling is how plants like the Venus flytrap know when to snap shut on prey. And while they're not exactly sending these signals to other plants, it's still an impressive way for plants to react and adapt in real time. So, while plants might look pretty quiet and still, there's a whole secret world of communication happening beneath the surface. They're using chemical warnings, root networks, and electrical signals to survive and support each other. Makes you wonder what kind of messages the plants in your backyard might be sharing, doesn't it? Who knows? Maybe they're gossiping about that time you forgot to water them. If you thought this was cool, hit subscribe for more fun science breakdowns, and let us know in the comments what plant superpower you'd like to have.